Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove the front bumper of a Hyundai Veloster. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a plastic trim removal tool to prevent scratches. Park your Veloster on a flat, stable surface and firmly engage the parking brake for safety. Next, carefully lift the front of the car using a reliable jack and secure it with sturdy jack stands, ensuring it is completely stable before proceeding. Now, let's tackle the fender liners. On both the driver and passenger sides, remove all the screws and plastic clips holding the fender liners in place. Once these are out, gently pull back the fender liners to reveal additional bolts that secure the bumper to the vehicle's frame. After that, move to the underside of the car and remove all the remaining fasteners, including screws and clips, that run along the entire bottom edge of the front bumper. With the fender liners and undercarriage clear, open your hood. You'll find several clips and screws along the top edge of the grille area. Remove all of these. Before fully detaching the bumper, remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for components like fog lights, turn signals, or parking sensors. Finally, gently but firmly release the bumper from its mounting clips located on each side, typically near the headlights, working slowly to avoid damage. You're almost there. Once all the fasteners, clips, and electrical connections are clear, carefully pull the entire front bumper straight off the vehicle. It should slide away smoothly. Be sure to have a soft, clean surface ready, like a moving blanket or cardboard, to place the bumper on immediately to prevent any scratches or damage. Remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.